You're facing a tough decision, a work conflict, or a creative block. So you push harder, talk it out, or analyze it for the 100th time. But here's the truth no one teaches you. You can't solve a problem without first creating the solution in your mind. In Master Key System Chapter 5, Haanel explains the creative process of thought. And it's the same process behind innovation, leadership, and personal transformation. Here's how it works. Thought is the cause. Condition is the effect. No lasting change happens in the outer world until you build the blueprint inside. It's not woo-woo, it's mental architecture. That's why visualization, affirmations, and clarity practices work, because they give the subconscious mind a model to build from. Use the mental blueprint ritual. Write down one challenge you're currently facing. Then answer this. If this were already solved, what would it look like, feel like, and require from me? Now close your eyes and see it. Not as a wish, but as your current reality. You've just activated the law of attraction, the power of belief, and the creative power of your subconscious in one step. You now understand that thought is the first builder. But how do you bring that thought into form? Next episode, we explore the law that governs every outcome in your career and life, and why nothing ever happens by chance. Coming up, why success or failure is never an accident. If you're done chasing results and ready to start designing them, subscribe now. You just picked up the blueprint.